Alrighty guys, well it's Monday afternoon, and I'm having the cup of coffee. Doesn't that kind of looks peaceful, doesn't it? The John Deere mug with the John Deere, and so I'm having the afternoon brew. I I figured I'd come out here because it's not too bad of a day. I had some plowing I had to do this morning, but that's all taken care of. So now I'm just having the afternoon brew and figured I'd take the John Deere for a little tour. So let's get to it. What we got here is the 265, as you can see, and got the plow. You know, it's cold and snowy. Finishing up the coffee. We got, what else we got to show you here? Oh, look at this. So I got a suicide knob the other day on the weekend. Because this thing, I mean, look at, even with that much, it has a little play in it, but that's hard to turn, even with that on it. So that's helping out a lot. It's making my plowing easier. So so that's new. I like that little thing. It's great, does a great job. So I figured I'd do a little tour of the John Deere today and do a little update of it. Got the suicide knob. I gotta buy a new bulb for the dash there. The battery light. See, I'll turn the key here. See, I'll turn the key to on. See, the oil light will show up in the gas gauge, but the battery is it's dead. It's burnt out, whatever. So I gotta order a new bulb for that. It's like a press fit bulb. Oh, excuse me. I got a new light switch in, because my light switch wasn't working last time. I'm cheap, so what I do is I took the base from the other light switch, and I shoved the new light switch, $4 light switch to remind you, through there. Works great now. I mean, it's a little jagged, but who cares? Who the hell cares? I mean, what am I gonna go to John Deere place for? What am I gonna pay to get the new light switch? It's gonna be $20, $25. Who knows? They're expensive. So if I can get it cheap, who cares? It's cheap, So I figured I'd do a little tour of the John Deere. Let me just go get rid of this coffee cup. I had two of them. I think somebody broke my other one, so I don't want to break this one. It's good. Dunkin' Donuts. The bag of Dunkin' Donuts. There we go. Alrighty. We're ready. Let's get to it. It's not really a cold start because I've been plowing already with it, so maybe it is a cold start. A little bit of plowing. Since the highway department hasn't plowed yet, so let's do our own little bit of plowing. Cool. Oh. brake engaged. That's not going to do much good. There we go. Alright, well guys, my battery's getting low, so I'll stop here, and well, you guys take care and have a great day. I figured, I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, take care guys.